Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to edit PDF. Let's say for example, you want to type anything on that PDF or you want to sign or place your e-signature in that PDF. So we can use a website. So just simply go to google.com, and then after you go to google.com, you may now search I love PDF, this one. So this is now the logo of the I love PDF. You can just simply type it or click it rather, and then you have different options. But since what are we going to do is to just simply edit PDF, so just simply click this edit PDF. You can type, you can add text, image, shape, or freehand annotation to a PDF document, or you can edit the size and the color as well of that added content. Okay, just simply click that, and then you may now choose what PDF file. Make sure it's already saved in your desktop so that you can just simply choose it. So for example, this one. Okay, let's say I want to edit this file. Okay, one moment. Okay, let me check. Let's say this one, the rocks mineral. It's a PDF file. Okay, let's say for example, this will be the PDF file that I want to edit. So it's a reading material. By the way, it is just for sample only. So as you can see, we have here different tools to utilize. We can add text, we can add image, we can annotate. We If you want to sign, you can use this draw here, or you can add image, wherein you're going to choose your e-signature if it's already saved as image. Let's say we want to add text. Okay, just simply click add text, and then this will be now the text. Okay, so you can add text cycle by introduction. Let's say introduction. Okay, after that, you may now choose different parts of the PDF, and then you may now move the text. So let's say this one. Okay, or you can also draw, or let's say this one. We can utilize it. Let's say I am going to sign that one. Or we can add image as well. You can choose image, what image you want to use. So let's say this one, the example only, we want to add it here. Okay, this one, we can add this image here. And then after that, once you already once you already edit your PDF, you may now save it. Okay, let's see if it will be reflected in our edited PDF already. Okay, click edit PDF, and then as you can see, it was already edited. So you may now download the PDF. Once you already downloaded the PDF, let's check now the downloaded PDF file. Okay, just wait for a moment. By the way, since it's website, you need to have Wi-Fi, or you need to be at least connected to internet for you to use it. Okay, so one moment. Okay, my internet is low at this time. Okay, one moment. Okay, let me click once again. This one, it's already being downloaded, and let's check if our edited PDF is already reflected. Okay, this is my signature, this is the introduction, and this is the image that I paste. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel.